for you. I want to introduce the Downtube 8H front suspension folding bicycle. I'm going to start with the controls, move my way down, and then back through the bike. Okay, so here, starting here, we have bar ends, which are awesome for pulling back on the handlebar when you're climbing up a hill. It really digs the rear wheel into the ground and allows you to go faster up the hill without any extra effort with your legs. It just increases the traction of the rear wheel. In addition, it gives you different hand positions. Okay, moving over, we have ergonomic grips here, which are very comfortable. And then we have a Shimano Nexus 8-speed shifter, which is great, and you can shift while you're standing. Right now I'm shifting, and the rear hub is actually shifting without any pedaling force. We have Textro brake levers, which are 2-finger levers with a little grip here. Make sure your fingers don't slip. They're very comfortable, very nice. Moving over here, we have a removable faceplate, which with a high-rise bar, it allows you to quickly loosen these 2 bolts and just rotate your bars forward, backward, up, down. You can put a very tall or very short person on this bike just by adjusting the virtual top tube reach by loosening this and moving the handlebars forward or back. Okay, going down, we have quick release here, which allows you to lift up the stem for more height if you want to sit upright, or down, if you want to be a little more aggressive with your riding style. Okay, and if we want to fold it, I would just loosen this, which is something I'm not gonna fold it right now, but just to show that it's quick and easy to fold right here. It's actually very stiff, once it's actually engaged. Okay, moving down, we have in the head tube we have a 2-bolt interface for a bag system right here. Integrated headset, which you can see the bearings are actually within the frame itself. Very smooth, very nice. We have a trans-arch designed fork, which is very smooth, very stiff in the horizontal direction, and very plush, obviously, in the vertical direction, since this is a suspension fork. Preload adjustment on the fork. In addition, we have the front fender, because it's more of a commuter model, and machine sidewall rims, which you can feel them. I don't know if you can see them in the video, but when the brake levers bite down on them, it really stops the bike very quickly. They're not going to slip. It's not a slick rim at all. It's actually very rigid. Okay, moving back, we have a water bottle braze-on right here, and a new style quick release, frame quick release, which is quite wide and easy to pull back on. And again, this has a safety feature in that if this gets disengaged while you're riding, it just cannot fold. You have to release the safety lock by lifting up in the direction of this little arrow there. And putting it back is quick and easy. Holding the pedals is quick. And the biggest thing about this bike is we have a Gates belt drive. This is not a chain. This is a belt. Integrated with a Shimano Nexus 8-speed hub, gives us a very wide gear range. In addition, we have a frame protector on the bottom. So when you fold it, you can actually lean it on this and the wheels, and it'll balance perfectly without any problems. On the other side, we actually have a kickstand, which I'm going to put down right now. I don't know how visible that is. Moving back, we have a heavy-duty rack, rear fender. Clearly you see the belt, as well as the Shimano Nexus 8-speed hub. And I think that's pretty much it. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.